If you want to make sure the audio in your CapCut project is safe to use, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to run a copyright check in CapCut. This is especially useful if you're editing videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any platform where copyright issues can cause problems later on. By checking your audio before you export, you can save yourself time, avoid takedowns, and make smarter editing decisions. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and make sure you're inside the editor where your timeline and tools are visible. Once your project is open, look at the top menu and click on Audio. This is where CapCut keeps the music and sound-related tools for your project. After you're in the audio section, look over to the left side menu and click on Copyright. CapCut will now show you the copyright checking tools for the audio in your project. This is the area you want to use before publishing your video because it helps you identify whether the track may create copyright concerns. Next, click the Check option. CapCut will begin checking the audio for copyright status and related issues. Depending on the project and the track you're using, this may take a moment, so give it a second to finish. Once the check is complete, review the result carefully. If CapCut flags the audio, it usually means you may want to replace it with a safer track, mute it, or choose a different sound that fits your video better. If everything looks good, then you can continue editing with more confidence and export your project, knowing you've taken an extra step to protect your content. This is a simple process, but it can make a big difference if you post content regularly. It only takes a few clicks, and it helps you stay ahead of copyright problems before they become an issue. And that's how to run a copyright check in CapCut. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.